subscribe.
In creative arts therapy, I often hear echoes of grief that don't come from death, but from distance, from the slow ache of feeling unseen by someone who should know you best. Bob Dylan's "Oh Sister" feels like a letter left unsent.
Oh sister, when I come to lie in your arms, you should not treat me like a stranger. I bother when I like the way that you act, and you must realize the danger.
It's a plea, a protest, a question. Do you still know me? Do you still care? For my tween and teen patients, navigating fractured family ties, sibling estrangement, or broken bonds with caregivers, this song lands like a memory they didn't know they had.
Oh sister, am I not a brother to you, and one deserving of affection? And is our purpose not the same on this earth? To love and follow His direction.
Many of my patients ask this without words. They don't always say, "I miss them." Instead, they say, "I don't know if they'd notice if I disappeared," or they act like I'm just in the way. In one session, I asked my tween and teen patients to write unsent letters to siblings, parents, friends, not to mail them, just to feel what needed to be said. Some wrote in full sentences. Others used collage, cut-up poetry, or speaking their words through a paper megaphone. Not for volume, but for the echo. It created a ritual around speaking without expecting reply. One patient repeated, "Please see me, please see me," then distorted it into a whisper. That became the core of her piece, a composition about being almost heard.
Time is an ocean, but it ends at the shore. You may not see me tomorrow.
Dylan reminds us some distances can't be crossed by will alone. But in creative arts therapy, the work isn't always to fix the relationship. It's to express what was left unsaid, to reclaim the voice that went quiet in the rupture. For my tween and teen patients, "Oh Sister" becomes more than a song. It's a vessel for grief, for hope, for memory, and sometimes for forgiveness of others and of the self. What would you say if they could finally hear you? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Hello, this is Enrico, licensed creative arts therapist, New York State.